Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined when you read the book and suddenly that book also teach you some, let's say, the spells? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the picture of a man who is sitting inside of the library, I guess, and he is reading the book like this. It's like the normal photo actually, and after using the spatial prompt, this picture can be totally changed into this dramatic scene, and he's like casting the spells, and also as you can see, the book that he is reading now is levitating, and also his hands, it's like channeling the energy or the electrical energy, and also this is the vibe of the spells, and also the situation behind this man also totally changed into the Halloween vibe. How to create this one? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform such as the Gemini AI, Dream, Dreamina, or another AI or another platform, it is very okay. And here I will also show you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And if you would like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email to get this access. And after that, you will see this home page, and you can start to click Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can start to upload the picture. Let's say when you are reading the book, like this. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. Basically, the prompt will be like this. Transform the man in the image into a powerful wizard casting a spell. And also the book should now be levitating higher and directly at his eye level, with his face slightly tilted upwards, and also the vibrant abstract magical energy is swirling shade, let's say the green and also purple, and also the orange should be emanating from his mouth, and also completely enveloping and illuminating the levitating book. And also the additionally bolts of cracking electrical energy should be shooting from both his open palms like this. And also this energy is like directed towards and impacting the floating book, as if that he is channeling his power and also uttering an incantation. And also the overall atmosphere of this image remains gloomy and mysterious with the subtle background, and also the lighting is dramatic and emphasizing the magical and electrical effect, and also the wizard intense focused expression like this. So this will be the prompt, and you can simply give this prompt a screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box. And after that, you can click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, this is actually the same prompt that I used before to create this picture, and by the same prompt you can actually have the different picture, and you can simply check it out. And if you would like to have the another different result, it is very okay. You can simply click this rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another result, guys. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.